Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video is how to use a wireless charger. So as you can see, we have here the wireless charger. This is the front side. The SmartX wireless charger. The same principle of power bank. This is the back side, the suction cap and the wireless charging portion. And then it can be charged also by USB cable. And then the input voltage using the C-type connector for the charging input. Then top and bottom is the suction cap, and the middle is the wireless charger portion. Let's start. So how to charge? So put the single row suction cap and mobile phone's camera face up. So let's put it. And then as you can see, look for the switch and then press one time the power switch button. Press the switch. I press the switch. Let's wait for a while. So hintay lang po tayo. Pag na-press na po ang power switch one time, so i-check natin kung nag-charge ba. So let's check if the wireless charger is working. Now it's working na, the wireless charger. So as you can see the symbol, the power symbol. So at the front, so as you can see the wireless charging status indicator. So green light on, it means wireless charging. So and then if the green light turn into red, so wireless charging is steady, standby rather. If red light and green light flashes alternately, so wireless charging is abnormal. So the blue one is the power indicator. So as you can see now, continuous charging now. So nag-charge na po. Yan po ang paggamit ng wireless charger. So makikita po natin yung power charging symbol sa battery. So it's very simple. So it's done. Thank you for watching.